to show you historical places of Kandahar. It's a historical site in Kandahar. It was a mountain, but they have made it as a stairs. Mostly from Kandahar, people are coming here, visiting this area. Actually, we have woke up early morning. After the prayer, we come out to show you the beautiful city of Mena. It's a small, it's not small, but it's a city in Kandahar where you find all these luxurious apartments, houses, bungalows, and supermarkets, shops. So now we will have our breakfast. I think this was a most beautiful hotel, restaurant, very clean, with all the facilities they had. We had a very comfortable night. Our friends are here, so we will have our breakfast. We will just show you. I'm sure you will see that this is Kandahar, Afghanistan, and this small restaurant. Not small, it's big, but we have ordered our breakfast. We will have our breakfast, and after our breakfast, what we will do, we have ordered 2 eggs, and we will have our breakfast, and we will check out and go and show you other beautiful places of Kandahar, and we will be trying to show you historical places of Kandahar. Basically, these are, which you see, these are Kandahari style. This scarf, clothes, and a hat. This is mostly Kandaharis wear. So we will show you the beautiful Afghanistan. It's our, I think, 3rd day in Kandahar. We have shown you, or we will be showing you Mena. We will be trying to go to some beautiful sites, historical sites, and we are planning to finish our work today in Kandahar and leave to Kabul tonight. So it's almost again 10-12 hour drive. So you have saw Kandahar, our way. You saw Helmand province and Kandahar. Most of the people, they won't believe that this is Afghanistan. I'm sure they won't believe that, especially some of my friends, that they think that when I show them some pictures and videos, they say, no, this is maybe Middle Eastern country. It's not Middle Eastern country, it's Afghanistan, where we have suffered a lot, but still we have smile on our faces, still we have hope to build our country, still we are trying to rebuild in our country. Is open to everyone, everyone can come. Mostly you see YouTubers and foreigners are coming. So we hope, let's see, we will go there and have our breakfast, because our 2 friends, they look very hungry, so we don't want to lose something. So they are eating a lot. That's what. Let's say, inshallah. Let's eat, have our breakfast, and move and go to city. Hafiz,
Yeah,
how you doing?
I'm
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, very good. Hafiz is busy with me while doing our vlogs. Hola. Engineer sir, how you doing? Fine, alhamdulillah. Good. How was your days in Helmand, Kandahar, and traveling?
This trip was full of experience and it was such a nice trip, inshallah.
Okay, good. I think whole night we were traveling, and day we were doing our work. So night travel from Helmand to Kandahar, from Kabul to Kandahar, then Kandahar, Helmand, back to Kandahar. Now we will go back to Kabul. So Engineer Saab, we were joking around, 4 of us, yes? Rola and Hafiz and Engineer Saab.
And
He's our senior, so he's our Amir as well in the trip.
both of them is our
Actually, we have come to Mirwais Nika. We call it Mirwais Nika. He was elder of Afghan. In a history, you can check. This is his grave. Is a historical site in Kandahar. Has many years of history. You can see around the way they have built the tomb, the way they have written the whole history in that year, everything. We have come to the top peak area. In English it calls 40 what stairs. Yeah, so this is the highest peak in Kandahar. Actually around it's a historical place which we have asked some elders what's the story behind these stairs to the top of the mountain. They say that from here you can see the whole Kandahar. Now it's a city, but previously it was a agriculture land. But now you can see the whole Kandahar from the top of this mountain. This is the peak where you can see the stairs. We will go to the top of this mountain. Actually, it's a mountain, but they have made it as a stairs. Give me the camera. This is actually the top view. It was a mountain, but they have made it as a stairs. As you see, our cameraman down there is Kandahar city. You see these stairs? We will go to the top, and finally we came to one point here. From here you can see the whole city of Kandahar. Here they have written some poems. You see in the stones, these are all ancient poems. This is, I think, place maybe for prayer, something. This is a stone. Yeah, what? You see these small poems. Top of the mountain. Actually, what they have built, what the elders are saying, they have they have built these stairs to the top from here. Now you see these houses. Previously it was all agricultural land, so it was a top view, like the peak, where you can see the whole city of Kandahar, ancient Kandahar. But these were built recently, these places. Actually, it was I think down there was the old Kandahar. Now is this side. You see the top. This is mountain. Now going back down, it's not easy. Now we need to go back down, and we will go to another beautiful place. I think we have come to another place where people are coming from around the city. Here on the top of the mountain, they have made a place where a park. Actually, it's a park. People come here. From here is a top view where you can see other places.
I think this is the Arghandab district.
This is the another sightseeing. People like mostly from Kandahar, people are coming here, visiting this area. They have some restaurants, some juice bars, juice lands. What is the? It's the main thing is the view. It's mostly when you go to the top of the hill. From there you can see Arghandab district. On my backside you see all around top of the hill where they have made the flowers, trees and everything. People are coming with their families here. But from the top of the mountain you can see the whole Arghandab district. The green area where there is a river flowing. So that's Kandahar. So at night we are traveling. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
We love you, bro.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, that's how they treat guests, peanuts from the Kandahar. So you can see this place. We are traveling back to Kabul from here at night. At night we were traveling Helmand, Zabul, Kandahar, and we were traveling back to Kabul. Inshallah, when we reach there, we will be trying to give you update. But if not, we couldn't. I think it's about 10 or 12 hour drive. So I hope you have enjoyed our vlog. Please don't forget to share and like our videos. That's the image of Afghanistan. We are trying to show the world that still, with all these problems and suffering, still we have smile on our faces, still we have a vision and we have a plan to rebuild our country. I've shown you on the vlogs that we have traveled from Helmand to Kandahar, Kandahar to Helmand, Zabul, all these provinces at night. Whole nights we were traveling, and at daytime, because we had a very short time, like we have traveled to Ghazni, Maidan Wardak, Zabul, and we had very less time to cover all these stories for you guys. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching our vlogs. Yes, we are trying to record as much as vlog as possible all those historical places of Afghanistan. We will be traveling, we will be visiting historical sites inside Kabul, outside Kabul. We are planning, that's our vision, to cover all 34 provinces of Afghanistan in our vlog, and we will show you different cultures, different sayings in different places, in different people. So it's a enjoyment for us as well. We are traveling north, south, east, each have their own culture. We are trying to record as much as vlog as possible.